Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your MERRILL Edge account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your MERRILL Edge account, start by ensuring you have access to your account information. Log into your MERRILL Edge account on the official website. Navigate to the Account Management section. Select the option for Close Your Account. Review the information provided on the closure process. Ensure all your transactions are complete and any pending trades are settled. Check your account balance to confirm there are no remaining funds. If you have a remaining balance, transfer it to another bank account or withdraw it. Follow the prompts for closing your account. You may be asked to confirm your identity through security questions or a verification code. Carefully read through the terms and conditions regarding account closure. Complete any required forms or documentation. Submit your request to close the account. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation regarding your account closure. Allow a few business days for the closure process to be finalized. Once confirmed, ensure you receive no further communication regarding the account. If you face any issues during this process, contact MERRILL Edge customer service for assistance. It's essential to monitor any statements to confirm that no further activity occurs on the account. After cancellation, take steps to secure your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.